You know that feeling when you're working on a slide deck and suddenly realize, wait a minute, where's that one slide I made? I clearly remember making it. Maybe it was a nice layout, maybe some important content, or something you deleted last week while cleaning things up, and now you actually need it back. It happens to all of us. Either we delete something thinking we won't need it, or we are just trying to tidy up the slides. But later we realize that slide had something useful and now we feel stuck. But don't worry, Google Slides has something called version history, and it's honestly one of the most underrated features. You can open version history using this icon, or you can go to File, Version History, and click See Version History. Your entire screen changes to a special interface. Here you can still view your slides, and on the right side there's a panel with all the previous saved versions. Each version shows the date, time, and who made the changes. So if you remember roughly when that slide was there, you can go straight to it. And if you tick the Show Changes box at the bottom, Google will highlight what was edited, which makes it much easier to find the exact slide you are looking for. Once you find the version where your slide still exists, you can either choose to restore the whole file or just copy the one slide that you need or the images or shapes or text and paste it into your current deck. And here's a handy trick. You can actually name a version. If you're finalizing a draft or just want to save a clean point to come back to, just click the three dots next to the version and select Name this version. It makes it super easy to track important milestones later on. Even if you have deleted the entire presentation, just go to your Google Drive trash, right click the file and hit restore. As long as it's within 30 days, you're safe. So next time before deleting a slide, either duplicate it and keep it at the end of your deck or just chill because version history is like your hidden backup, quietly saving everything in the background. If this helped, share it with someone who lost a slide recently. Before you go, if you ever need to turn your ideas into beautiful customized presentations fast, try Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin. It helps you create stunning, tailored presentations in seconds, from scripts to titles, live keynotes to handouts, and even instant translations. It's all just a click away. Right now, it Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin.